I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable voice data collection on your PS5. And to be clear, choosing not to share this data won't result in any voice features being disabled on your PlayStation 5. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. Step 2. Click Users and Accounts in the Settings menu. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Click Privacy in the list of options on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Control How Your Data is Collected and Used section and then click Voice Data Collection in this section. Voice data collection options are displayed. Step 5. Click to place a checkmark next to Don't Allow. Your voice data will no longer be shared with Sony going forward. And again, choosing not to share this data won't result in any voice features being disabled on your PS5. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.